third module, right? Sequential circuits.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sequential logic or sequential circuits.
Okay.
Before this, you might have studied about number system as your first module. In your first module, number
Yes,
system,
sir.
logic,
Yeah, sir.
expressions, K-map, all these things you studied. And in second unit, combinational circuits. Yes or no? Combinational circuits.
Yes, sir.
In these combinational circuits, what are the different topics you studied? Half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor, okay, comparator, encoder, decoder, multiplexer, demultiplexer. These all things you have studied. In what?
Yeah.
Combination circuits. Okay, actually you are
Okay.
looking for this third one, no? Third module. Hope you
Yeah.
already have knowledge on this one, combination circuits. What is the main difference between combination circuits and sequential circuit, you know? What is the difference? Combination circuits, what happens? In combination circuits, output of the circuit depends on only on what? Depends only on present input. What I said, present input only on present input. Output of the circuit depends only on present input. Okay, in sequential circuit, output of the circuit depends on present and previous. See, in sequential circuits, output of the circuit depends on present input as well as previous or past output. Okay, this is the main difference. Okay, only if I say in words, is that enough? Is it fulfill your requirement? Did you understand completely? I think no. If I say only these two lines, is that enough to understand?
No, sir.
Yeah. See, in combinational circuit, what happens? Let me consider example as a half adder. Okay, this is a half adder. See, these are the two inputs. Yes or no? How many inputs for half adder?
2.
2. What are the outputs? Sum and carry are the outputs. You know or don't know this one?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. See, in half adder comes under what? Combinational circuits. Okay, half adder comes under combinational circuit. In combinational circuit, what happens? See, in combinational circuits, you are applying input here 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 like this. Okay, whatever the
Yeah.
input you are applying, as per your input, immediately it will provide the output. Yes or no? What was the truth
Yes,
table?
sir.
Let me explain one minute. Yeah, can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Combination circuit. In combinational circuit, output depends on present input only. It means what? What I took example for half adder. Yes or no? In half adder, two inputs. What are those? A and B are the two inputs. What are the outputs? Sum and carry. Okay, truth table. A and B are the inputs. Two input means what? How many combinations? Two input means what? 2 to the power 2. 4 combinations. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Sum, carry. What is 0 plus 1? Sorry, 0 plus 0 is 0. Sum is 0, no carry. 0 plus 1. What is the sum? 1. Carry is no carry. 1 plus 0 is sum is 1, no carry again, 0. 1 plus 1 is what? Sum is 0 with carry 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you following what I'm saying? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Are you following what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, I'm following.
Yeah. See, in combination circuit, I took one example. Which example? Half adder example I took. In half adder, A and B are what? Inputs. When I apply inputs, immediately you will get output. What are those? Sum and carry. How many inputs I applied here? How many inputs?
Two
Inputs are. How many
two
combinations?
input.
Yeah, inputs 2. How many combinations I applied?
Two. Combination means that sum and carry, right?
See, combination means this one.
Okay, four. Two
First
power two,
combination,
4.
second, third, fourth. First combination is what? When A is equals to 0, B is equals to 0, then sum I am getting 0, carry I am getting 0. Okay, when A input is 0, B input is 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. Second. Similarly,
Okay.
third combination. When input A is 1, B is 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. Okay, when input A is 1, second input B is 1, 1 plus 1 is what? 0 with carry 1.
Zero. Carry
You know
one.
all this? You know all this or not?
Yes, sir, I know.
Yes. See, logical OR operation is different. Logical addition is different. Try to understand. Logical addition is different. Logical OR is different. This is what? Logical OR. This is what? Logical addition. In logical OR operation, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1. In logical OR operation, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is also 1. Okay, in digital, don't say like mathematics, 1 plus 1 is 2. No, don't say 2. 1 plus 1 is not 2. Okay, in digital, again, two things are there. One is logical OR operation. Plus means logical OR operation. Logical addition. Both are different. Both are not same. Okay. When you perform logical OR operation, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. This is what? Logical OR operation. Similarly, again I will consider these four. 0 plus 0, logical, when you are performing logical addition operation, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 as your sum with carry 1. This is the answer. See the difference? Did you notify the difference?
Yes, sir.
Last combination, 1 plus 1 is 1. When? If I am
Then 1
performing
plus 1
logical OR
is 0.
operation. if I am performing logical OR operation, 1 plus 1 is 1. Okay. Suppose if you are performing logical addition operation, then 1 plus 1 value is 0 as a sum with carry 1. See the difference. What is sum? 0 with carry 1. That is what I did at last here. Last combination. Which one? Last combination. Which one I took? Look at this last combination. 1 1.
Okay.
1 1 means what? 0
Zero.
as sum and 1 as carry. That's what I have written here. 0 as sum, carry as 1.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, this one is what? First input combinations,
Okay.
second input combination, third combination, fourth combination. Total how many combinations? 4
Four
combinations.
combinations.
When I apply first this combination, yes, immediately output is providing. It is providing the output as 0 and 0. That
Okay.
is A and B are what? Present input. Present input.
Input.
A and B are present inputs. See,
Input.
sum and carry are what? Outputs. Output is depends on present inputs only. Present inputs only.
Input.
Here, this is
Yes,
what
sir.
combination circuit.
Okay.
Okay, sequential means what? What I said, sequential means output of the circuit depends on present as well as its previous output. What is the meaning? Let me explain with the help of some diagram. Suppose in sequential circuits, let me consider 4 different, what you can say, what are these? Flip-flops. 4 flip-flops I'm going to consider. Okay, 4 flip-flops. All are D flip-flops. Let me consider D flip-flop, DFF, D flip-flop. Okay, this is also D flip-flop. Okay, each flip-flop is having input. What is that? D input. This is a clock input. Okay, output also. Each input is having, this is Q output, this is Q bar output. Here also Q output, and here it is Q bar output. Okay, here it is Q output, Q bar output. Here again Q output, Q bar output. Okay, see.
Okay, sir.
Here also again input, D input, this is clock input. D input, clock input. This is what? Clock input. This is D input. Okay, see, this circuit is not completed. See, this output is given to the clock of next. This is first flip-flop. Okay, this is second flip-flop. This is third flip-flop. This is fourth flip-flop. Okay, when I apply input here, where is the input? Here I am applying input. Okay, here I am applying input. This input, here I am applying input. What about this? Here input. Here one more input is there. Here one more input is there. Here one more. Last input. Okay. Where is the output? Here, these two are the outputs. Outputs of what? Total circuit, last stage. These two also only. Q bar are outputs only. Q bar outputs. This Q and Q bar are outputs for first flip-flop. Similarly, this Q and Q bar are second flip-flops outputs. This Q and Q bar are third flip-flops output. But this Q and Q bar are outputs for fourth flip-flop. Here, output, where? Here, extreme right side. at this place,
Mm.
this output depends on what? Not only this input, but as well as its previous output. Yes or no? Previous output. Why? Because output of each flip-flop is given to the clock input for the next flip-flop. See, output of this flip-flop is given to the clock for next flip-flop. This output is given to the clock for next flip-flop. This output is given to the clock for next flip-flop. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you following what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah,
Okay.
following, no?
No, sir. I thought you can hear me.
Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir. I am audible.
Yeah. Any confusion?
No, sir. First
Yeah.
output is giving to the second. No, sir. I don't have any.
You want me to explain again?
No, sir. I don't have any confusion.
Okay. See, to get the output here, where is the output? At this point. Okay. To get this output, it is not only depends on its particular input. Where is that? This input. Not only depends on this input, but its previous stage. That is third stage flip-flop output.
Clock one.
Sir, no. This connects to this.
Okay.
Again, this its third flip-flop output depends on second stage flip-flop output. Second flip-flop output depends on first flip-flop output. Dependency is there.
Okay.
This
Okay.
kind of circuits is called what? Sequential circuits. Sequential
Okay.
circuits.
Okay.
Combinational means what? Input, you are applying inputs here, immediately you are getting outputs.
Yeah.
Okay, when you apply 1, 0, you are getting some output.
Yeah.
It may be 0 or 1. In one shot, directly you are getting. In half adder, full adder, half subtractor, encoder, decoder, these all comes under combinational circuits. In combinational circuits, you are getting the output just as soon as you apply input, immediately you are getting the output. It means what? Output of the circuit in combination circuit, output depends on only on present input. Only on present input. There is no dependency. Whatever the inputs you are applying, as per the input, it will perform the operation plus or minus, whatever it is. Immediately it will provide the output.
Okay, sir.
Output of the circuit depends only on the present input only, where in combinational circuits. But in sequential circuits, output of the circuit depends on present input as well as previous output. Previous output means what? Here I explained, no? Fourth flip-flop output depends on third flip-flop's output. Similarly, third flip-flop output depends on second flip-flop's output. Second flip-flop output depends on first flip-flop's output. Why? Because all are interlinked. Q is given to the clock for next flip-flop. Okay, second, this Q output is given to the clock input for the next flip-flop. Here Q output is given to the clock for the next flip-flop, like that. Cleared?
Okay. Yes, sir.
This is the main difference.
Okay, sir.
Next, in sequential circuit, there are a lot of things. I think whether you studied properly or not, second module, I'm not aware about it. I don't know exactly. As you requested, I will little bit discuss on sequential circuits. Sequential circuits. See, in sequential circuit, again, two main things we need to study. One is latch. Second one is flip-flop. First one is what? Latch. Second one is flip-flop. Both are almost same. Okay, both are almost same. But in latch, no clock. There is no clock.
Okay.
Okay, clock input is not present. Where? In latch. But in case of flip-flops, you cannot imagine the circuit, flip-flop circuit, without clock. Without clock, we cannot imagine. Means clock is mandatory. Clock is mandatory.
Okay.
Clock is present. Okay.
Mm.
I will explain what is the simply I will explain what is the meaning of latch. There are different types of latches are there. D latch, SR latch. Okay. I will explain SR,
Okay.
SR latch before going to discuss SR latch, SR latch. See, I'm using NOR gate. You know about NOR gate, right?
Yeah.
See, this is NOR gate, no? How NOR gate looks like,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Let me consider one more NOR gate. What is the meaning of latch? Means it is a cross coupling of two NOR gates or two NAND gates. Latch means what? It is a cross coupling of two NOR gates or two NAND gates, two NAND gates. What is the meaning of cross coupling? Means this one. Now I am explaining this one. Cross coupling means what?
Mhm.
Look at this. See, this is the first input, R input. This is second input, S input. SR latch, correct? SR. The second input is connected to second output, and this one is connected to first output. First output name is called Qn, second output name is called Qn bar. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, this kind of connection is called coupling, cross coupling. Cross coupling means what? Output of this output is given to the input of one of the input. This one is given to the another input. This output is given to the another input. This is called what? Cross coupling.
Okay. Okay.
Got the meaning? What is the meaning of cross coupling?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Next what I will explain is symbolic representation. This is what logic diagram. This is what
Okay.
logic diagram or circuit diagram, logic circuit or logic diagram, logic circuit.
Okay.
Logic symbol means what? SR latch means two inputs. What are the two inputs? S and R. S and R are
Okay.
two inputs. Qn and Qn plus, sorry, Qn bar are the two outputs. Okay. Here, with the help of truth table, we can understand this SR latch operation clearly. What I said, with the help of
Okay.
truth table, we can understand. What is the meaning of truth table? Truth table means what?
Yeah, it will be have four values and A, B, A, B, 0, 1, 0.
Where is AB? We don't have AB here. AB concept is in combination circuits. Okay, now we are in sequential circuit.
RS.
Here in sequential
Yeah,
circuit,
RS.
R, Qn, Qn bar. Correct, no?
Yeah.
SR, Qn, Qn bar. Yes or no?
Sir.
Qn means what? Present state. R and S are inputs. R and S are inputs. Qn is what? Our present output. Present. At present, what is the status means Qn is the output. Qn is what? Present state. Present state.
Okay.
What about Qn plus 1? Next state.
Okay.
It is something like Qn means today. Qn plus 1 means tomorrow.
Okay.
What we are today, that is present state. Qn. Qn plus 1 means what? Next state. Tomorrow. Okay. Qn is present state. Qn bar is what?